Hey everybody, it's Diana again, and I'm going to do my January unboxing of Boxy Charm. So this is a subscription plan. It is 4 to 5 full-size items every month. They do have an option quarterly, so 4 times a year that you can do the really big Ipsy for like another 30 bucks or something. I have opted out of those, but I have one more after this month coming, so my last one will be in February. I paid for a year in advance. And as much as I love Boxy Charm, I just feel like I don't go through my full-size products enough, and I have a lot right now, but I still want to try products. So I decided to switch to Ipsy, look for those videos. My January video may be up before this one, I'm not sure. So, and also Ipsy I paid for a year in advance, and that is usually 5 little sample size stuff. And once in a while you'll get a full-size item or a brush or something like that. But anyway, let's see. This month is Boxy and Chill is the theme, and on the back it says all the products. I did take a peek already in my box, and actually I am very thrilled with what I've gotten. So we'll go through it together. So I got 2 Tatcha Luminous Dew skin masks. I have tried a little mini Tatcha face cream that I think I got as like, I don't know, a sample size. It's a very expensive brand. Let's see, these retail for $24. I don't know if that's for the 2 or just for one of them. But yeah, so I'm excited to try these. I did like the little face cream that I got from them before, and I think these will be really fun. Then I got from Briogeo, and this is not a full size, the Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. Let me kind of see it a little bit. This little guy is $16. Let's see what it smells like. Smells really fresh and clean. I will definitely use this. I don't tend to buy a lot of hair products for myself, so for me this will be really nice. So again, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. So we'll give that a go. And then I got the Starlooks Ultra Glam Longwear Eye Pencil. Does it have a shade? Yeah. We're going to open this up. I did peek at this, but I didn't take the packaging off, and I want to see. It looks just like a black pencil. And I don't, this is something, again, I typically, lately, for the past year or so, haven't bought any eye pencils because I've gotten them in boxes or from my sister or whatever, or like free with purchase stuff, and I just don't go through eye pencils that often. Oh wow, okay. Wow, this is like a pink shimmery glittery one. Can you see that? Not expecting that. It does twist up, which is nice. Not nice if you're using it on other people because you can't really properly sanitize it, but for myself, that's fine. I have nothing like this. This retails for, again, $19. It is from Starlooks. It's very interesting. We will give that a try. That's probably my least excited for product. Then I got a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in pepper. So that's a full size. I love their little containers. They're super sleek. Looks like a pinky, a light pinky color. Oh, more mauve-y. So that's pretty. We'll definitely give that a try. And then the thing I was actually most excited for is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I actually looked at Ulta, or not Ulta, Sephora for these. You get like a little eye looks chart in there, which is kind of nice. And then it's really cute and pretty. I like how compact these are. You get a nice mirror. And then it's a lot of just neutral shimmers. I think there's like one, no, they're all, I mean, this is kind of a non-shimmer, but the rest are definitely shimmers. I will try to swatch them. I don't know how great these are going to look because they're very light. But we'll see. I think this would be nice for like eye toppers and stuff, or just when I have interviews or whatever, that I can try out some new options. And there's some like warm and cool tones in here, which is nice. You can kind of see they're all very neutral. They're all shimmery. I do really love Tarte, so for me, I'm very excited about this one. I like getting new palettes that I don't have to purchase. There you can kind of see the color story a little bit better. But yeah, it's very neutral. Some pinks, some kind of golds, copper, almost a plum, silver, light gold, some very neutral colors. But this is really fun. I'm excited about this. I don't have too many neutral eyeshadows in my collection, so for me this is a huge hit. Now I don't have to buy something. Overall, I feel really happy with what we got today. Let me know what you guys got. I know they do have variations, especially I know they were doing all different Rainforest of the Sea palettes. They were doing different colors of the Bite. I think everyone was getting the Tatcha. Probably the eyeliner might have been a variant, and the Briogeo may have been a variant. I know they've had this before. I've never gotten it in mine as a variant, so I'm excited to give it a try. I've got 1 month to go. I hope that goes out with a bang. I'm very pleased with this one. It's very like neutrally, I don't know, that eye pencil or lip eye pencil. That is weird. Is that an eye pencil? It's gotta be an eye pencil, right? It is an eye pencil. So we shall see. But yeah, comment, subscribe, like below, and let me know what you think, and have a wonderful day. Bye.